Three problems will be some of the review for the Chapter 2 test. The first one is writing 0.15 as a fraction. You'd first want to look at the decimal places. This is the 10th place where the 1 digit is, and this is the 100th place where the 5 digit is. So you would put that 15 over 100. That is written as a fraction, but you would want to write it in simplest form. So you would divide both the top and the bottom by 5. And 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 100 divided by 5 is going to give you 20. So 0.15 written as a fraction would be first 15 over 100 and then simplified into 3 over 20. The next one is writing 8 over 100 as a decimal. So for this one, you're going to want to divide the 8 by 100 to figure out what it is in decimal form. So you would put the 8 inside the division sign. Remember, top in and then the bottom out. 100 cannot go into 8, so you would place a 0 on top, and then you would need to add a decimal place, and you need to add a digit of 0 after the 8. Once again, 100 not going to go into 80, so we'd put another 0 number there, and then we'd add another 0. And 100 into 800 is, of course, 8 times. 100 times 8 is 800. And you'd have no remainder. So 8 over 100, or 8 hundredths, is also written as this, 0.08. Remember, the 0 here is in the 10th place. The 8 here is in the 100th place. So that would be equivalent to 8 hundredths. 0.08. And the last one's going to ask you to order these from least to greatest. So you first have 3/10, 4/5, and 6/10. I would convert the 6/10 to a fraction since these two are already in fraction form. And remember, the 6 is in the 10th place, so this can be written as 6/10. 0.6 written as 6/10. I can already see that 3/10 is going to be less than the 6/10. But now I need to convert this 4/5, so it has a common denominator of 10. So I'm able to compare all three of these numbers. So let's convert 4/5 to a fraction over 10. I know 5 times 2 is 10, so I need to do 4 times 2 to get 8. So I know 4/5 is equivalent to 8/10. So I have 3/10, which is less than 6/10, and I have 6/10, which is less than 8/10. So this would be the order to write it in: 3/10, 6/10, and 8/10. And then if you need to use your three original numbers, 3/10 would still be written first. Then the next one would be 6/10. 6/10, you'd write the original number of 0.6. And then the last one would be the 4/5, which was equivalent to 8/10. So that would be an order from least to greatest.